Engage.
Minus the 100 is 100, but well, nah, you can't headshot them. The melee counts as 160, so it's 60 plus 50, because he's 50 extra points for first place kill.
Yo, what? Where are
Let me get that.
Gains the lead.
What the fuck? I was gonna say, where are you two?
200 need, man. I just
Lost the lead.
nice, man. How's everything going, Insanity?
Shit,
Can you get my
You're
res?
in the lead.
Yo, bottom trip. Good raid. Oh shit. Nice. He pushed back so hard, man. I got team shotted up the ass. GQ's is regenning now.
Guardian down.
They're dead.
You're falling behind.
He just ate one shotty as well. Yeah, he's inside top T.
Guardian down.
Man, he's full.
He already regen, cause yeah, you know what? He just torn.
Guardian down.
Dude, I just spawned into his Eyasluna. His broken Eyasluna.
Traded.
Nice. Yeah, he's on C window. He's bottom C window. There's a left now. That's his name. Pushing the cow. He's weak, he's weak. Yeah.
Top T, top B5.
Good shit. Ran.
Guardian down.
What the fuck? Cow's absolutely nope. He's regenning. He's already.
Cow's
full
one
out.
shot.
Dude.
Weak is
Cow
weak.
eats so much. Nice.
On
The
weak
cow's
bodies.
lost. He's on melee. He's on melee.
Gains the lead.
Special's up. I'm playing special. That was good pie.
Throw it off the top.
Guardian down.
Nice.
Got you, I got you. Oh my
Right,
goodness.
right. Absolutely, he's on Hagley.
Not absolute.
He regened.
Lost the lead.
Why were we all right next to each other? What the fuck? GQ's coming, yo. He's in bottom.
Oh, I'm coming, Parpy.
Guardian down.
GQ just fucking mapped me. Holy shit. He's bottom trip. Oh, he's on you, pure in
You're in
front
the
of you.
lead.
There's two. Shit, there's still one behind
Full
you. Needs help.
Oh.
Oh no.
You're falling
Is he
behind.
rezzing? Is he rezzing?
Yep. He has smash, Parpy. He has smash.
Guardian down.
Just.
Yo, look where I am! Stream! What the fuck? Dude, I'm getting farmed off fucking supers, man. That's theirs.
Guardian down.
Rotate. There's no way we're gonna win this. Just keep rotating. Keep rotating. Go bottom. I can't help you up top. Alright.
Heavy ammo
There you go.
inbound.
He's right here. Oh, how you baited yourself.
That was weak. I shot him onto the body.
I got cow.
Heavy ammo available.
Alright.
Gained the lead.
They're holding hand. No, you pushed me. Oh no, dude. Look where my orb is.
Who pushed
Lost
you?
the lead.
Look where my orb. Like lightning nades need to be taken out of the game. I swear to God.
Guardian down.
Alright, regroup, dude. Just regroup. Chillax.
Dude, someone pushed me into that fucking lightning nade.
That probably was
He's
me.
up top. I got a grape on me. Where's he at? He's weak. What? What am I?
Get his back, puppy. They're gonna get his res. They're gonna get that res easy. They're double laning that lane too.
He's weak.
Guardian down.
Probably resin.
Oh, they know it's a dumb res. Oh, nice lightning nade, Electro.
The guy's outside by
He's weak.
himself. Good shit. Let me get
You're
this,
in
let
the
me get
lead.
this. They're probably gonna be. I don't know. They're probably gonna spawn on bot. Oh no, there's a steam hanger.
Hanger.
How is weak on this? How is
Dude, Electro's crouching at the crispy angle, man. I can't even push that. They're all three there. He's
what
pushing.
the fuck is this?
Oh, nice. That would have been a double. Team shot.
QQ's connection. Nice one up, one down, bro.
You're falling
Nice
behind.
one up,
Yeah,
one
smash.
down.
Yeah, smash. Yeah, I'm going outside. Screw
Yeah, he
this.
has slime. You try to use it on
I'm going
the
outside. They're triple laning. They are literally triple laning.
Only 5 minutes left.
Yo, QQ's outside. QQ's outside, buddy.
Motherfuck.
Dude.
I know.
Dude.
Wait, how close are you to storm?
So
Parpy.
AIDS.
Parpy, how close?
How's
B flag,
weak,
Parpy?
man?
B flag? B flag?
I'm absolute.
In the Nova?
Guardian
We
down.
whipped it? Oh, no, man.
Oh.
Yeah, this guy, fuck, I'm not with you, Parpy. We just split up.
Guardian down.
Okay. Yeah. This game, man.
You've nearly lost.
Yo, stay back. Yo, I have a storm. Oh, nice.
I got Nova Bomb too.
Oh, he's
Alright,
Parpy. Oh, I got him.
Guardian down.
Got my Nova. Alright, yo, we gotta make this next play smart, yo. Gotta make it count. Got one. One more on me. I'm dead. Parpy, yo, he's weak. He's so weak. Come on, yo. Nice angle. Yo, QQ's right there.
I'm just game.
QQ's literally right there.
Gained the
Bottom.
lead.
Bottom T. Push him. I'm gonna cut him off. Push him.
He's absolute.
Electro's bottom mid as well.
Guardian down.
Targets
Nice.
Dude, how did he
eliminated.
kill me?
Congratulations, Guardian. Nice work.
Dude, that was the gayest fucking. I literally got fucking bullshitted like 4 times that game. Dumbass game. Fucking bitch. Is Dice Cal? Yeah. Oh, I thought I got raped.